Hello guys, that's Arthur here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to filter dynamically a gallery in Power Apps, okay? So let's get started. I'm here in my e-commerce app, and in this screen we have two containers, a gallery one and a filter one, okay? With the client filter, product, status, and also a search field, okay? So in this scenario, we are going to use a collection to populate the items property of our gallery, okay? So the first thing we need to do is go over here to app and then go to the property on start, okay? So once you're here, we are going to create your collection. So clear collect, and then you're going to give it a name like call orders, because my table is called orders, okay? And then we need to give an item, so the table orders. We just close it and we are good to go. Just go over here to the app, three dots, run on start. Nice. So let's preview the app, and let's assume that we want to filter a specific record inside this gallery. For example, if I type here art e-commerce, I want this record specific to be filtered, okay? So let's return, go to the gallery, and in the items property, we are going to insert our collection, so call orders. But before this, we are going to filter. So filter call orders, okay, comma, and it's now asking us to provide the logical test. Okay, so we just go over here to our search field, copy, expand this a little bit. Oops. Paste it here. So search field dot value in client, because client is my column. So once I do this, let's wait a little bit. Nice. So as you can see, it's now filtered. And then let's apply to the other columns as well. So let's expand this a little bit. Go over here, search field dot value, dot value in, or I forgot the or expression, product dot value, because that's a choice column in my database. Search field dot value again in phone number, or dot value in delivery day, or dot value in status dot value, because that's a choice column as well. So let's try. Close it here, preview the app. Instead of art commerce, let's put the status returned, for example. Nice. Let's try with iPad, the product. Nice, great. Now let's assume that we want to filter not only iPad, but also the status delivered. It's not working because it's not dynamic. So let's close it here, return to our gallery items property, and expand this. For the comma, we are going to insert a parentheses, and after the status value, we're going to close it. So once we closed it, we're going to insert a AND expression so it can be dynamically with the other filters. Nice. So we just open up another parentheses and put the following expression. is blank. We get the name of our client, combo box, dot selected dot value, or client is equal to the combo box that was selected. Nice. So after everything, we just put an and. Let's copy it here, paste it here. Now get the product combo box name. Oops. Go to the gallery, change from client to product. Product dot value. And the last one is the status. So and we gotta copy this again. And instead of product, I'm almost sure that's status, exactly. And instead of product, status, and over here is status. Nice. So I think we are good to go. So if we go over here and preview the app, nice. It's now filtered dynamically, right? Let's change again. So let's choose to filter the product AirPods. Okay. And then with the status delivered. Nice. Or even postponed. So as you can see, now it's filtering dynamically, right? Now, if I want to filter again, like Salesforce, I can go over here and then Salesforce. Now we have 3 filters, right? Filtering one record specifically in our gallery. So that's very nice, huh? Congratulations, guys, for building this amazing dynamic filter in Power Apps. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and see you in the next one.